The vetting of candidates nominated for appointment to the Independent and Electoral Boundaries Commission, IEBC, started this morning amid mixed reactions about their suitability. Wafula Chebukati, who is seeking to succeed Issack Hassan as the chair, was the first to face the National Assembly's Justice and Legal Affairs Committee, chaired by Samuel Chepkonga. The selection panel forwarded to President Uhuru Kenyatta 2 nominees for the position of chair and 9 for commissioners, and was expected to pick the chairperson and 6 commissioners within 7 days. Questions have been raised about Chebukati's appropriateness for the position following reports that other candidates performed better than he did in interviews conducted by the IEBC selection panel. We want to give you some update on what he had to say before the panel a little earlier this morning. Take a look.
I was captain and chairman of Mombasa Golf Club and Nyali Golf Club. At the moment, I'm a director of Royal Nairobi Golf Club. So issues of corporate governance, I'm very familiar with them, and managing boards. I know the IEBC will have 6 commissioners who will be vetted before you. If we all approved, I should be in a position to manage the board, give a leadership role to the organization, be able to run the necessary board meetings and evaluations. So I have that experience in terms of leadership. As to what I'll do differently, that's the question, Chair, you have asked. I'm aware that IEBCs are going concern. There are things happening. The Secretariat is there. It has been working very hard. And yes, when we go in there, if you approve us and my commissioners to go in, we shall pick it up from where it is. I know next week the voter registration exercise kicks off. That will be priority number 1. Go for it, get the voter register cleaned up, and because it's a sensitive issue, the voter register, we shall have it cleaned up, and then once it's cleaned up, it will, under my leadership, it will be hashed so that it's not tampered with. We're also looking at the area of what I'll do after the voter register is to look. We have the system of electronic system being purchased. I saw in the newspapers that the tender has been stopped, but at some stage it has to be purchased. Now this is a new system. Going by what we went through in 2013, we don't want a situation where this system fails in the middle of elections. So my take is that once it's purchased, it's commissioned, before elections, we should be able to do proper tests on the system. All penetration tests need to be done to make sure it is secure from hackers, because you'll appreciate here the people out there who would want to hack in the system. So those tests need to be done to make sure it's not hacked. I would also go for the idea of checking the load, make sure it doesn't crash in the middle of elections. And load testing is very, very important. How is that done? That can be done by way of stimulation tests. You can, under my leadership, I would make sure we run 2-3 trial elections before then.